Imagine a world where robots are not just rigid machines but flexible and capable of maneuvering through tight spaces. Like a caterpillar, they can squeeze through and perform delicate tasks with precision. Hi all, welcome to a new episode of Tuesday Tech Bytes with Embedded Brew. And in today's episode, let's dive into the fascinating world of origami based soft robotics. Soft robotics is a rapidly evolving field that draws inspiration from flexibility and adaptability of natural organisms. Unlike traditional robots made from hard materials, soft robots are built from often elastic material, allowing them to walk in such a way that rigid robots cannot. So, what exactly are origami inspired soft robots? Let's know what is origami. It is the ancient Japanese art of paper folding that has inspired countless innovations. Even in our channel, we have created many videos on origami paper crafts. You can check out the playlist, the link is in the description below. So, these origami robots are designed to fold, bend, and twist by mimicking the principles of origami. Engineers can create robots that can transform their shapes, functions, and providing unparalleled versatility. One of the remarkable examples of this technology is the Catbot, also known as robot pillar. I think Catbot sounds fine. It is developed by the researchers at Princeton University. The Catbot can crawl through loops and bends, much like a caterpillar navigating through its surrounding. The Catbot's design is simple yet ingenious. It consists of a series of interconnected segments that can contract and expand. By coordinating these movements of these segments, the robot can propel itself forward, much like how a caterpillar moves. But how does it actually work? The Catbot uses a combination of flexible materials and smart design to achieve its unique locomotion. Each segment of the robot is equipped with soft actuators that can inflate and deflate. By controlling the sequence of this inflation and deflation, the Catbot can achieve variety of movements. Okay, so we have made one robot, but where we can use it? The potential application of origami inspired soft robots are in the medical field. They can be used for minimally invasive surgeries, navigating through the human body without causing any damage. In search and rescue missions, they can crawl through debris and reach areas that are inaccessible to humans. And in the industrial sector, they can handle delicate objects and perform tasks that require a gentle touch. They can inspect and repair machinery in hard to reach places. The flexibility and adaptability of these robots make them invaluable in scenarios where traditional robot might struggle. So what's next for soft robotics? Researchers are continuously refining the design and functionality of these robots. The goal is to develop even more sophisticated models that can perform a wider range of tasks. The collaboration between Princeton and North Carolina State University is just the beginning. As technology advances, we can expect to see soft robots playing an increasingly prominent role in our life. While the future looks promising, there are still challenges to overcome. Researchers are working on improving the durability, control mechanisms, and power sources for these robots. However, with the rapid advancements in material science and robotics, we can expect to see even more innovative designs and applications in the near future. These origami inspired soft robots like Catbot represent a significant leap forward in the robotics technology, blending art and engineering to create machines that are both functional and flexible. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, the robots will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping our future. Oh wow, you are still watching. I appreciate your patience and curiosity to learn more about technology. If you think you have learned something from this episode, then click on that like button and share this knowledge with all your friends. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you want to read the full blog with the references, do check out our website. The link is already given in the description. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.